In this submission to the Calcis Chronicles, our customer, Lake Source, explains how Calcis freshens up their pond.
Hi, Chris Fish with Lake Source. Wanted to quickly share a new product we've been utilizing in the pond management industry. This product's called Calcis. It's a liquid lime product, very new to the industry. It allows you to buffer the water or increase alkalinity and stabilize pH. Now, this particular pond behind me had a very brown color to the water. It was suspended clay, so the water was very turbid and unpleasant looking. So we applied a binding agent called aluminum sulfate to bind up to the clay and take it out of suspension. Now, the problem with aluminum sulfate, it's very acidic and it can harm your fish if you don't have correct pH or alkalinity. In this case, we use Calcis. Traditionally, liming a pond, you use agricultural lime, where you put it on a barge and spread it across the pond, which is very labor intensive. Calcis has completely cut down our labor and our time on site and has helped turn this pond behind me into a much more aesthetically pleasing color. Thanks.
Keep an eye out for more submissions coming from our customers to the Calcis Chronicles.